Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn solutions and mixtures together, step by step. A mixture is two or more substances combined physically, not chemically, so they keep their own properties. Some mixtures are heterogeneous, like sand in water, where you can see the separate parts. A solution is a special homogeneous mixture, evenly blended down to the particle level. In a solution, everything looks like one smooth substance throughout. Every solution has two roles. The solute is the substance that dissolves, like salt. The solvent is the substance doing the dissolving, usually water, the universal solvent. Concentration tells you how much solute sits in a given volume. A concentrated solution has lots of solute crowded in. A dilute one has only a little spread out. Watch salt dissolve in water. Water molecules are slightly charged, so their positive ends grab chlorine ions and their negative ends grab sodium ions. They pull each ion off the crystal and surround it. The salt spreads evenly until it seems to vanish. It is still there. The ions are simply hidden among the water molecules. How much will dissolve depends on conditions. For most solids, heating the solvent lets more dissolve, which is why sugar vanishes faster in hot tea. Stirring speeds things up too. But once no more can dissolve, the solution is saturated, and extra solute simply settles. Control temperature and stirring, and you control how a solution forms. To sum up, a solution is a mixture so evenly blended it looks uniform, made of a solute dissolved in a solvent. Concentration measures how crowded the solute is. Heating and stirring usually help things dissolve, until the solution becomes saturated. From oceans to your blood, solutions are everywhere, quietly carrying chemistry through our world. Great work! Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.